1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. What do you understand by this? 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 means half divided by quarter. Do you understand the meaning of this expression? Does this mean how many quarters in half? Can you show it by any pictorial diagram? And answer, is it a true or false statement? Now it's your turn to think over the question and get the correct answer. Here we can see picture 1 is one circle, picture 2 is a half circle and picture 3 is a quarter circle. This is a circle. Now one circle is there and we have to find its half. Now let's take half circle and then we have to divide it by quarter, that is 1 by 2 is to be divided by 1 by 4. So we divide it by 1 by 4, that is by quarter. So we know what is 1 by 4, so see half is divided by quarter. So now you can see the upper quarter and the lower quarter. So there are two 1 by 4. So you can say when half is divided by 1 by 4, we have how many quarters? So half divided by 1 by 4, we have 2 quarters. This is the answer of your question. So the given statement 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 means how many quarters in half is a true statement. Another question is, if the shaded portion has a value of 1 by 3, what is the value of the whole shape? Now you can see here a figure. This figure is a closed figure where you can see a shaded portion. Triangular part is a blue shaded portion which has a value 1 by 3. Now you have to find the value of the whole shape made here. Now can you guess what is the value of the shape enclosed by a closed figure given to you? Now you see we have the closed figure which has a shape. Now each shaded portion is 1 by 3. One triangle is 1 by 3. So count how many triangular regions are there inside the closed figure. So we count it, number of triangles in the shape is 13. So we write down number of triangles equals to 13 and the value of 13 triangles we have to take out. So we do 13 into 1 by 3. So we do 13 by 3, it is 4 1 by 3. So we have 4 1 by 3 is the total value of the given shape. So the concept here is we have to multiply the value of each part into the number of parts. So we get the answer 4 1 by 3. Now the question is, what is 2/3 of an hour? So you have to calculate 2/3 of an hour. Here is hints for you. You can convert hour into minutes and then find 2/3 of it. We know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we have to now calculate 2/3 of 60 minutes. So 2 by 3 into 60 cancel by the table of 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So 23 is 60. So 20 into 2 is in numerator, 2 into 20 is 40. So we have to write 40 minutes is 2/3 of an hour. This is answer. This question is, what number should be added to 8 by 9 to get 9 by 8? Here the sum is 9 by 8, and out of two numbers, one number is 8 by 9. You have to find the another number, which is when added to 8 by 9, the sum will be 9 by 8. So what would be the another number which should be added to 8 by 9? You have to calculate. To get the solution, we have to subtract the one number 8 by 9 from the sum 9 by 8. So we write 9 by 8 minus 8 by 9. Now by taking LCM, we subtract the two fractional numbers and get the answer 17 by 72. That means 17 by 72 must be added to 8 by 9 to get 9 by 8. You can check your answer too. A family consumes 2.5 liters of milk every day. What is the total consumption of milk by the family in the month of April? So, what do you think? How will you solve this question? I am giving you hints. You know there are 30 days in the month of April. So, find the total consumption of milk in 30 days. So, now your time begins. See, 30 bottles of 2.5 liter milk is used in 30 days. Quantity of milk used every day is 2.5 liter. Quantity of milk used in 30 days is 30 times 2.5. Let's convert 2.5 into improper fraction. It is 5 by 2. Now 30 and 2, numerator and denominators, is cancelled by the table of 2. 2 into 15 is 30. So 2 15s are 30. Now 15 and 5 in numerator is multiplied to give the answer 75 liters. 75 liters of milk is used in the month of April.